10 smart English words you should start using today. Want to impress others with your English? Here are 10 words that'll instantly make you sound smarter and more confident. And the best part? They're super easy to remember. Let's go. Articulate. Meaning, able to express ideas clearly. Example, she's very articulate when explaining her point. Intricate. Meaning, very detailed or complex. Example, he created an intricate design for the project. Resilient. Meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, after the failure, she remained resilient and tried again. Eloquent. Meaning, fluent or persuasive in speaking. Example, his speech was so eloquent it moved the crowd. Candid. Meaning, honest and straightforward. Example, he gave a candid answer about his past. Versatile. Meaning, able to do many things well. Example, she's a versatile singer from pop to classical. Pragmatic. Meaning, practical and realistic. Example, he takes a pragmatic approach to problem solving. Lucid. Meaning, clear and easy to understand. Example, her explanation was so lucid even a child could get it. Meticulous. Meaning, very careful and precise. Example, she's meticulous with her work, no detail is missed. Impeccable. Meaning, flawless, perfect. Example, his English is impeccable. Which word was your favorite? Comment below. Follow for more smart words every day and let's make your English truly impeccable. See you in tomorrow's episode.